Hello friends, so today I will show you how to make this paper sofa with cushions. So it's a green color one, as you can see, it's like this. So now I will show you how to make this. So let's get started. So first, for this I need a sheet of size 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. So when I have this, I will just make a triangle like this, fold it nicely and open it, make another triangle like this, fold it again, open it, and taking any one of the sides, just with the point meet the middle point of it, and then like this, the point came here, just do like this, and taking this whole thing, just move it here and fold it till this line, till the middle line, and take this again and take the whole thing and fold it till the middle line, like this. And same do with this part also, as we did here. So just take this and first fold it like this, then open it, fold till here, then take this and fold it till here, till the middle point, middle line, and take the whole thing now and just fold it like this. And when it's done, you can just open it like this. So for this one and this one, just take one by one. Take this and just fold it like this. Fold it again till here, and this one fold and one fold again, and now it's done. All the folding part here is done. We'll take this part now. Just fold it the whole like this, then take and fold till here, and now one fold and another fold, and it's done. When you open, just make this and this side again like this, just press it again like this, and now we'll fold this thing. Inside like this. Here also just do the same thing like this. and this is done. So now we have, I am taking another sheet of, as this is done, I will make the same thing, same pattern like this, with size of 14.5 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters. So just do the same thing here also. First fold like this, another fold like this, then open and do like this. Again. So when these two are ready, what I will do now is just move this small one inside this big one. Just fit in here. And it's done. So it will show like this. Now I will make its back and armrest. So for that, for the back, the size is sheet size is 9 by 9 centimeters. So just roll it like this with a pencil or a marker, and just roll it, or you can just do it like this. And do like this, just fold like this way, and just put it inside. Yeah, like this. So just press it a little bit and it will go inside like this. Now for the arms, I have a sheet size of 8.4 centimeters. Two of the same size only, 8 by 4 centimeters. So just with your fingers you can do, just roll like this. This one also, and taking one by one, just fold like this, and one by one just put it inside. And this one also, just do the same thing here. Just hold it here and put it here. Inside. No need to glue or all. It's fine like this, because it will go inside and it will fit by itself and it will fix. So no need to glue or paste with anything. So at this time it will look like this. So it's time to make the cushions for this sofa, for this one. So I am taking the sheet size of 5.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. So after this, just take this and fold first one side like this, and this side also. Just fold it inside a little bit, and fold this part also, and just take it till here, fold it till here. We just need to put some glue now on this part, on this part, a little bit glue. Not much, a little bit only. So just take this and stick this till here. And just push it, press it. And let it dry for a minute. then we can do this one in the meantime, because it takes time to stick also. You can keep this on top of this to help it stick. So first fold like this, and another fold here like this, and then one here fold like this. Now fold till here. Take glue and just put some glue here. Just stick it. And you can, after you are done with the gluing part or and all, you can just open a little bit. You can just fold it first and just take your hands and you can just open it like this to make a fluffy cushion, to make a, yeah, like this one, open and a little bit open and like this. So you can just keep it now, keep this here, and another one will do the same thing. Take this and just open it a little bit, and then you can just keep this in your, put this in your sofa, on your sofa, and it's done. So the sofa is made, as you can see, and kids can play with this, or you can just decorate it. It's up to you in any way. You can stick the cushions with the sofa if you want, but for me I like the loose cushions here, so I will not stick. Otherwise, if you want, you can. So this and this sofas are done.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.